Assalamu alaikum. Hello friend. I am architect Minarul Islam. Today I will talk about ray command in the AutoCAD. The ray command is a line that has a starting point but no has end point. Ray command we get in the draw toolbar here. This is a ray command and we ray command short key from keyboard RAY. Example, first we click on the ray command in the draw toolbar. Here I click and click specify the first point and click specify the throw point. Again click for more line and press enter for out of command. This is another method. First press R A Y from keyboard, then enter, then click specify the first point and click specify the throw point and click for more line, then enter for out of command. I hope you understand. Please like, share and comment if you be satisfied for my video. Assalamu alaikum.